Hi guys, welcome back to Explore More. So today the website that I've taken is Glow and Lovely. So this video is basically the continuation of the previous video which I made on Glow and Lovely careers, which basically consisted of the online courses that Glow and Lovely is offering. But in this video, as I mentioned before in that video, that I'll be showing you the jobs that Glow and Lovely is offering and how you need to apply for these jobs, what kind of jobs are available for you. I'm going to show you all of that in this video. So now, first you have to come to this website. Now I'll be sharing the link with you guys in the description below, the link for this website. So you come to this page if you want to if you want career guidance. For example, if you don't really know which job you want to opt for, or you're not aware of your own aims and aspirations, because this does happen a lot of times, you can come here to career guidance and you can take a career test or career options. You could just have that kind of a, it'll give you an idea as to what you really want to do or what you are interested in, so that you can apply in jobs related to that particular field, or maybe internships related to that particular field. And they also give you career counseling. So this basically Glow and Lovely also gives you career counseling, which you have to call on certain number, and then you also get career counseling for free if you want to opt for career counseling. So now coming to the jobs. Now before going to jobs, I would also like to mention that obviously when you apply for a job, your resume plays a very important role. You need to have a good resume, then only you will be able to apply for a job, or probably it will give you an edge over others if you have a good resume. So here, resume builder, if you do not have your own resume till now, or if you want to build your resume, you could just click here and it will help you build your resume for free. So you do not have to pay anything. It will help you in building a good resume for you guys, so that you can just, submit that and apply for a job. Now coming to the job part, there are a lot of jobs which Glow and Lovely is providing. You have beauty jobs, you have marketing jobs, you have teaching jobs, internships, work from home. Right now, I guess work from home would be much better because most of us are at our homes and we would like to do a job which is comfortable and convenient and which we can do sitting at our home. So you could opt for work from home in that case. If you want to see teaching or marketing or beauty, you can go for that as well. So now let's go for work from home right now. And if you are a student, then definitely I guess internships would be a good option for you. You can search for internships you want to opt for if you are a student. Now over here, now what is a work from home internship? First of all, they are showing over here what it is exactly. That So we all know that work from home internship is an internship or a job where you do not have to go to your office. You just do it, you just perform your job responsibilities sitting at your home. Now eligibility criteria is also mentioned over here. So what all do you need? First of all, obviously you need a good laptop, you need internet connection and also electricity and a quiet place to work in, because definitely if you're doing it work from home, you need to have your laptop with you so that you could just complete your work and submit your work. So you need a good internet connection as well. So that's the first thing. Then you must display integrity and work ethics. Now it doesn't mean that if you're not in an office, so you will not perform the kind of, you will not have your proper work ethics in place. So even though you are at your home in at a comfort zone, but you still need to perform some work ethics. You have to have good integrity irrespective of whichever place you're working at, and you should have excellent communication skills, because most of your job requirement is going to be communication. So you need to have good communication skills, and you must be a graduate or above. Now how do you have to apply? You get you click on over here, get started, and then you can just register or log into Glow and Lovely Careers if you haven't yet. Then you'll be redirected to the mass page on Shreeros, and you can then click on apply work from home job and fill out the application form provided. Now Shreeros is a company and Shreeros will check your application. They will be accessing your application and they'll let you know whether you are perfect for the job or not, and you will be informed whether you have cleared the certification process or not. So that will be informed based on the contact details that you provide in the application form which you fill. Now there are also some FAQs at the bottom if you have some doubts, or you want to know more about Shiros or what it is about, what kind of salary you will be getting, what kind of a job this is exactly. So you can get answer to your questions over here. So these are some frequently asked questions, some FAQs which mostly you guys must be having some doubts about. You can just check it out and your doubts will get cleared. So this is something which I found very important, and yes, work from home is a need right now, so definitely this would be a good one. If you want to check out other courses, other jobs, other internships, you can do that from over here, and then you could just apply for whichever job you would like to apply for. And I'm sure it's going to be very, very beneficial for you. So do apply. Whenever you see this video, go to the link in the description and apply for it. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video. Do comment down below if you have any suggestions, feedback, anything you would like to talk about, anything and everything. You're free to give any suggestions, any queries, doubts, anything you want to ask, you want to say, anything. And also, if you feel that this might be helpful to any of your friends or your relatives or your family, anybody, you could just share this video with them so that they get benefited by this opportunity. And also, do subscribe to our channel so that you always get updated and you always know what's happening around you, what you can do, what are some opportunities that you should definitely take advantage of. So yes, do subscribe to our channel, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you so much.